they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Brittany B, and I am back once again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing another mukbang. I have chili that my mama cooked 2 days before. It's really good. I put some cheese, shredded cheese on there and mixed it up. That's how I like mine. And some crackers. Pretty much. So for today's topic, I am going to talk about on who inspired me to do YouTube and have my own channel and whatnot. Well, it's like a whole bunch of people that I've been watching for the past year or two that I really love and enjoy watching. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a couple of people. Kelly Sweet, she's one of them. And I've been watching YouTube couples too, and they inspired me too, like DK4L, the Ace family, the 2Times family. Oh, and the So Cool family too, and CJ So Cool. Yeah, I really want to make it big, like in the doing YouTube and all that stuff. Even though I'm not working right now, eventually I'll get a job. Even though that's crazy, because ever since I've been out of school, I've been so excited on getting a job. Like, I really don't know why. Maybe I just want to make some money on my own. That's why I've been excited like that. And, I just feel so inspired by doing YouTube, because, like, let me tell y'all something about me. I never even had the thoughts of doing YouTube. Like, I swear, I didn't want to do one because I was so shy. And I told y'all this before on how I built up my confidence and all that stuff in the other video. A couple of videos before, so. So, pretty much I began building my confidence after video after video after video after video. And I've just been pretty much getting used to it, like, because I started around August 2017, so I've been doing this for 17, 18, 19, for 2 years now, and I'm already on like 97 subscribers. And that's a good thing, because I'm starting to become more, not popular, but somewhat popular. I'm just building up. Like, the more I give y'all more content to watch, the more subscribers I get. Fruit punch soda. Like, I really ain't got nothing much to say right now. It's only because, like, I just know how I eventually got here anyway. Like, I started doing YouTube for 2 years now, and I'm still doing shout outs. Like, just, if you want a shout out, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, watch any of my videos, and click that bell, and you'll get a shout out. My mama makes the best chili, I swear. Comment down below what y'all like to eat with y'all chili. Y'all like grilled cheese or just crackers? I'm a little bit of both, even though I don't eat grilled cheese with chili like that, so I've been mostly eating these with crackers. yeah, like after a good while of me doing YouTube, I kind of got used to it, even though I don't like filming every single day. Even though I don't film every single day, but I try. Like, I'm editing a reaction video. And, I'm really trying my hardest to get it to upload, but the video was just stubborn, so I gotta start all over. Like, I'm going back to doing reaction videos. So, because I haven't done them in a while now. Because I couldn't remember my first reaction video. Comment down below what was it. Like, was it the Keys Key fight video or the Beyond Scared Straight or something like that? I think Keys Key reaction to that fight was the first one, I think. Because it made, like, more views. I think it made around, like, 480 some views. And that's crazy. Almost close to 1,000. Honestly, reaction to that fight was just stupid. Like, what are y'all trying to prove? Like, what are y'all really trying to prove? So, I really want to thank y'all for encouraging me to keep moving on with my channel, commenting down below what should I do and all that stuff. Ooh, it's hot. And I just really love doing YouTube, cause never in my life I thought of doing a YouTube channel, like never. Cause mostly everybody I know I went to high school with are doing it. Oh yeah. One of my friends, her name is Amber. Her channel is Amber D. I'm gonna put it like the picture either here or here. Let me put it mostly like up here to check her out. Go check her channel out. Okay. If y'all want me to shout out y'all channel or y'all couple's channel in the next video or so, don't be afraid to comment down below. Hey, shout me out or shout us out and all that stuff. Like, don't be afraid to hit me up in the comments of giving y'all a shout out. My mama is a good cook, I swear she is. She makes the bomb chili. Like, oh my god, this chili's so bomb. Honestly, I wish nothing but the best for my friends who is doing YouTube channels. I wish them nothing but the best. Like, they gave me encouragement to do a channel, I'll give them encouragement. Yeah. Like, like, over here, I don't do fake subscribers. Like, either you want to be on my squad or you don't. Like, because I can't tolerate that. Because people be unsubscribing, subscribing, like, pick which route you want to go. Because I ain't finna tolerate all that subscribing, unsubscribing stuff. Either you want to be on the real squad, BB squad, or you don't. Period. The thing is, I'm blessed to have fans as my support system, because without them I wouldn't have started it to begin with. Yeah, pretty much. I just basically love my fans. I love y'all so much. I'm going to be doing some giveaways soon. I just don't know what I should give away. Should I like give away Amazon or something like that? Gift cards? I ain't going to be doing those no time soon. I'm just still on that 500 subscribers goal. Like, if y'all can get me to 500 subs, I'll do a giveaway. Yeah, those are my terms. If the camera's a little shaky, my bad. It's just this GoPro stand is really useful to me. Like, it really is. So guys, that's all I can pretty much say to that. Like, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if y'all new. Click that bell. Hit that like button. Like I said, if y'all want me to shout y'all channel out or a couple's channel out, subscribe, watch any of my videos, and hit that bell so you won't miss a thing on what I post. So I'll see you guys really soon. Peace.
That's what they call me.